It's just like, you know, 20 pounds is 20 pounds, you feel me? But hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, it's Clarky. I know I haven't done like a sit down video in a long time, so I'm serving you pink lights, blue shirt, you feel me? Leave a comment down below what type of videos you guys like to see. Yeah, I'm gonna be explaining to you guys how I went from this to this. Okay, so weight gain is a process. I did not want to use any sort of chemicals or artificial things to slow down my metabolism or things like that, because that can have long-term effects and you don't know what those chemicals could be doing to your organs. So I did. So the first part is increasing your calories. So as a really skinny person or a person that doesn't eat a lot, that could be difficult. So you want to make sure you're eating 3 meals a day. They don't have to be like really heavy meals for each one, but you want to make sure that the calories are high for majority of your meals. So if you have a light breakfast or something, you want to make sure you have protein in it. So if you don't like eggs or meat or something, you can have like peanut butter, protein shake, something like that. For lunch, you want to have protein as well. So overall, you want to increase your protein and your carbs, and that will lead to faster, healthier weight gain. And on top of that, this goes into the second part. You want to hit the gym. So you will notice that you're starting to gain weight, especially if you're not eating like the most healthy foods, but you're just eating a lot of calories. You will notice that you're gaining weight, but it may not be in the areas that you want. So you want to hit the gym so you can, snatch that waist and tone your legs, so you also don't like lose strength, or kind of like the opposite of hitting the gym. Sleeping will, after you eat, will definitely pack on the weight. So yeah, for me, I started off at around, the list was like maybe last summer. I was like 120 and now I'm about 140. Yeah, this isn't my end goal, but it's just like, 20 pounds is 20 pounds, you feel me? But it's 20 pounds mostly of muscle going to the gym. Some of the workouts I've done where I noticed that like my knees are bad, so I can't really do squats like that. So I mean, I do a few squats, but like I know a lot of people recommend doing like a bunch of squats, like 1,000 squats, yada yada yada. Yeah, that will like tone you up, but if you want like the hourglass shape, you want to definitely do abs. You want to do muscles that are workouts that will work the sides of your legs, like your hip dip areas. So like doing like fire hydrants and like side lunges and things like that are the things you want to do a lot of, and it's easier on your knees. Yeah, you can do squats as part of your leg workout, like leg presses. You can do variations of leg presses, one leg presses. Some of the things that have led to my weight gain. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can just leave them down below. If you want to see a workout video, comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.
See, I don't know if I can handle you as a